Smartsheet's user subscription model is designed to enable risk-free usage of the Smartsheet platform. As a system admin, you can easily make sure your team has the access they need with our different seat types. Users are automatically assigned a seat type based on how they're shared to core items in Smartsheet. Users in your domain who are shared to items view only can do so for free forever. Users in your domain who take an action such as editing or commenting get full access for free for a limited time. This is called provisional access, and it lets users collaborate right away without waiting for admin approval. Provisional access lasts for at least 30 days. System admins have the option to adjust a user's seat type before charges are incurred. This is done during a plan's reconciliation period. The reconciliation period is a scheduled window, either monthly or quarterly, depending on your plan, where you review users with temporary access and decide what happens next. They can become paid members, viewers, guests, or get removed from the plan entirely. In this video, you'll learn the different seat types in Smartsheet, how to navigate the TrueUp page in the Admin Center, and how to reconcile provisional members leading up to TrueUp. Let's get started. Let's begin by understanding the different seat types on your plan. Smartsheet plans include members and two types of free users, guests and viewers. Members are paid users with full access to Smartsheet. They can build solutions, automate workflows, edit and upload content, post comments, and invite users. Free users include guests and viewers. Guests are external users, like clients, contractors, or partners. They can edit and comment, but they don't consume a paid seat. Viewers are internal or external users who can only view assets. They cannot edit or comment. And lastly, there are provisional members. These users within your organization have been shared to an item as editors or commenters, have edited or commented, and received temporary free access to a Smartsheet membership. During the reconciliation period, you'll decide what to do with your provisional members. You can do nothing and have them convert to paid members automatically, downgrade them to a guest or viewer, or remove them from your plan entirely. Now that you know the different seat types, let's look at how to navigate the TrueUp page in the Admin Center. From the Admin Center homepage, select Manage Seat Types. You're now on the Seat Types and TrueUp page. Here's what you'll see. Filters for user domain, seat type, billing status, and activity level. These help narrow down large user lists quickly. Key details such as your reconciliation period dates, the current subscription info, and the number of additional seats you'll need if you allow all provisional members to convert to full members. For example, this plan has 6 provisional members that can be adjusted during this reconciliation period. Select the member seats link to see more. Here you can see the total billable users, purchased members, and the number of members that need to be purchased or have their seat type changed. Also, notice that each user row includes the date they'll convert to a member if no action is taken. And finally, you can use the More Actions button to download reports. You can download the seat type report here or go to the User Roles and Reports page. These reports help you make informed decisions during your TrueUp. Now that you have seen the key features of this page, let's walk through how to reconcile provisional members. First, let's downgrade this user as you have decided that they do not need to be a paid member at this time. Select the seat type drop-down menu on their row. Here you can change the user's seat type. Select Viewer. As a viewer, the user can only view the assets in Smartsheet that are shared to them. Select Change to Viewer. To remove a user entirely, again, select the seat type drop-down. This time, select No Access. Confirm these changes by selecting Remove Access again. The user is immediately removed from all assets on the plan. Need to update multiple users? No problem. You can make bulk edits for up to 200 users at once. Select the users you want to change. Then use the Change Seat Type menu to update them in one step. Choose Viewer to change these 2 users to viewers. Select Change to Viewers. Utilizing the filters and bulk edits make the reconciliation process fast and efficient. To effectively manage your plan's users as a system admin, it's best practice to review reconciliation notices sent via email and adjust members prior to billing. A standard policy and cadence can help. By taking a consistent approach, you'll ensure your team has the right access while only paying for the seats you need. So, are you ready to get started managing provisional members today? Visit the Smartsheet Help Center for more resources and guidance. Thanks for watching.